Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make tables in iPhone Notes app. So for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open the Notes app. And from here, we're going to go ahead and click these new notes right here. And then you have the table options. You can click that one. Now you have your two columns and two rows by default. And if you say, for example, want to add, you can go ahead and click on this one right here. All right, just like so. And once you have clicked that one, you can go ahead and click on it once more. And you should be able to have the option to add the row. And if you want to do the column, you can go ahead and click that three dots there as well. And then go ahead and click the add column here. And yeah, you can go ahead and repeat the same process until you have fully added how much column or how much rows you wanted to add in here. Now take note though that if you're going to do this, sometimes it can be a bit lagging. So you'd have to somehow like click it multiple times in order for it to add rows or columns. And yeah, that is basically how you're going to do it. Now you have four columns, four rows here in your table.